You've enabled monetization on your YouTube account and linked it to Google AdSense, and you're ready to start earning money. But there's a snag. YouTube has changed the game again. Rather than being open to anyone with 10,000 lifetime views, YouTube has limited monetization to those who have 4,000 hours of watch time in the last year and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. But don't worry, even if you only have a small following, you can build money on YouTube even in the absence of monetization. Before we go any further, let's define monetization. YouTube, which has 1.5 billion monthly active users, allows channels to earn money from ads. Users can earn money based on views by connecting their accounts to AdSense. Where many full-time YouTubers earn millions, the average person earns roughly $1 per 1,000 views. Here's what we have brought to you in our today's video. Top 5 ways how to make money on YouTube without being monetized. Number 1. Sell your products. You can sell your eBooks, coaching programs, lawnmowers, makeup, and other items on YouTube. After watching a product video, consumers are 64% to 85% more possible to buy. Of course, viewers will be able to purchase the product if you link back to your landing page or website. However, demonstrating the goods and even yourself in the clip begins to establish trust, because people do business with someone they know, like, and trust. There are 2 more prerequisites for selling something online. Sell online courses. You already have a fantastic possibility to make money if you're educating your viewers from your videos. Through an online course, you may put in your expertise and make them get a skill as per your subscription base. What your viewers have demonstrated interest in could justify the title for the same. Other digital products to consider include templates, ebooks, printables, workshop events, and downloadables. According to a November 2019 article, a YouTube billionaire, Graham Stephan, earns around $30,000 each month from his 2 online courses. There are no further raw product prices associated with making similar products, and with a little maintenance and upgrades, they must last for many years. It's often advised that you begin with an email list when creating a course. Choose one of these online course platforms and prepare your course if you already have enough influence and believe there's a topic your viewers wish to gain knowledge from you. In your video's descriptions, you can promote the end URL. Physical products and merchandise. Merch is frequently the first money stream that artists add to their channels. With the progress of tools such as Spring, printing your channel's logo on many different things like t-shirts, sweatshirts, tote bags, pillows, mugs, leggings, hats, and more has never been easier. Additionally, YouTube has made it considerably simpler for artists to sell real things. A fitness vlogging channel known as Team Richie, owned by Craig Ritchie and Jasmine Kyborn, is one channel that has taken its retail approach to the next level. They work together to create the HSTL brand by leveraging their online audience. T-shirts to barbells are all available at Made. Instead of using the usual always-on dropshipping strategy, they deal straight with the manufacturer and conduct periodic launches to assure the quality of their products. Number 2. Offers services for editing video. It is applicable for all kinds of video creators, and the complexity level is from low to intermediate. Given that you've been performing it for your videos, the first lucrative talent with market demand for a YouTube producer is video editing. Many brands are launching new YouTube channels, thus providing them a concierge YouTube upload editing service that can earn you some cash. Because editing appears to be difficult to learn, I've hired specialists for over $500 to bring together my raw material into polished YouTube movies. However, video editing necessitates specialized knowledge, patience, and creativity to guarantee that the content flows smoothly and the audience remains engaged. Regularly creating video sketches for your channel will develop your talents while also adding to your portfolio. Your network is a terrific place to start when it comes to finding clients because they might already be knowledgeable of your YouTube account and the efficiency of your work. It's also a good idea to pitch local startups where you reside. You can explain how, in addition to developing their brand, YouTube helps with discoverability and can make them gain more business. Finally, to find your first few clients, try freelance markets like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can even sell packages based on the aspects of video editing you will handle, such as color correction, color grading, transitions, design of sound, video runtime, subtitles, and so on these platforms. Consider your initial freelance projects in these markets as useful professional experience if you have fun in giving video editing services. However, get out of there as soon as possible because gigs pay less and competition is strong. Number 3. Join as an affiliate and write product reviews. It is suitable for all types of creators and has a low skill level. A substantial subscriber base may be required to obtain sponsorship. However, you may still work with businesses and receive commissions by reviewing things that are relevant to your target market. It necessitates enrolling in their affiliate programs, many of which have a minimal entry barrier. Then promote them in your video description by including your unique affiliate link. Maintaining transparency with your viewers is critical here to avoid jeopardizing your relationships. Channel Junkies, for example, provided an honest assessment of TubeBuddy, A YouTube development tool. Realtors with a channel on YouTube are their target audience. As a result, the channel's owner, Jackson, offers advice on how the software might help his subscribers build their channels. Number 4. Obtain brand sponsorship. Users go to YouTube to watch videos, not to scroll through them as they do on various social media platforms. That's why companies in a variety of industries, including beauty, fitness, food, gaming, applications, tech, toys, nerd culture, parenting, etc., are ready to pay a premium to video makers on the platform to promote their brand and products. For many businesses, original stuff on channels converts far better than ads. Don't just follow the money. Promote things that are truly valuable to your audience, or else your audience will be turned off. Your brand and material recommendations must bring more value to your audience's lives, be relevant to your channel's theme, and blend seamlessly with your video. Declare paid partnerships. Your subscribers have trust in you, but if you keep it a secret that you're getting paid to advocate a product, you risk losing that trust. If you don't declare that you were paid by sponsors to create a video, you can get the following comments on your video. If you're not honest about product endorsements, YouTube may take action against your channel. Additional requirements may be imposed by laws and agencies in your country of residence, such as the FTC. Go niche. Such brand agreements don't require 1 million members to get started. Brands do want a specialty channel with a dedicated and engaged audience. Experiment with your several hobbies, then choose the one that has the most spectators. Don't jump around from travel to business to lifestyle. Instead, focus on a single theme, such as beginning a business with zero money in your 20s era. Begin by looking at the sponsors of similar-sized competitor channels. Also, send an email to firms in your niche to see if they're interested in branded content. In the beginning, marketplaces like FameBit and Grapevine might be more effective. Shoutcart, where YouTube artists can upload their gigs, is shown below. Your sponsorship fee is determined by your normal engagement, size of the channel, type of video service you provide, whether you make the video or simply mention a company, and other similar considerations. Number 5. Crowdfund your starts. One can add cards to approved crowdfunding spaces and raise one-time funds. In general, creators use fan money to fund special projects like books, web series, films, applications, or the development of other items, as well as to raise awareness for a topic they care about. Because it just requires a one-time effort, this monetization technique may be easier to implement than the ongoing membership revenue model. However, depending on your financing objectives, it may be difficult. Platforms like Indiegogo and Kickstarter are commonly used to describe your project idea, the budget needed to execute it, and the fundraising process. The Veronica Mars movie project is an excellent example of a bold Kickstarter campaign that succeeded in bringing a film to reality. With over 91,000 backers, commitments surpassed $5 million. Thank you for watching. Let us know your response in the comments below. Until next time, goodbye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fun does not end here.